Today, you will learn how to change border color of a table in Word, step by step. First, click on the table handle icon to select the entire table. You will notice that new tabs appear at the top of Word called Table Design and Table Layout. Click on the Table Design tab. Click on the Pen Color option and choose any color you like. After selecting the color, the next step is to apply it to the table borders. To do this, click the Borders drop-down menu. You will see several options, such as All Borders, Outside Borders, Inside Borders, Top Border, Bottom Border, Left Border, and Right Border. If you want the entire table border to change to the selected color, choose All Borders. Instantly, the borders of your table will update with the new color. You can also customize specific parts of the table. For example, if you only want the outside border to be red while keeping the inside borders unchanged, select the red color first and then choose Outside Borders. Another useful feature is changing both the border color and border style at the same time. In the Table Design tab, you can select different line styles, such as solid lines, dashed lines, dotted lines, or thicker lines. You can also adjust the border thickness by choosing a different line weight. Once you select the style and color you want, apply it through the Borders menu to create a unique table design. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel.